For anybody watching this in 2018, I realize I uploaded this after Cinco de Mayo, but tacos are forever, so. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. We are making Taco Bell Crunch Wrap Supreme.
Unless I can't say Taco Bell, then we're just making a similar fast food chain restaurant recipe.
Guys, for our meat today, we're gonna be using walnuts. I soaked these overnight so they are very soft to touch, and I'm just gonna crumble them up like ground beef. Like ground walnuts, okay? In our skillet, I'm just gonna take a little oil here. There you go, that's as small as I'm going to make it, guys. This was just 1 cup's worth right here. Right into our oiled pan here. So guys, I finally got smart and made my own taco seasoning, so I don't have to worry about doing all the separate ingredients anymore. All that's in here is paprika, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper. I'll have all the ingredients on the screen because now I can't remember off the top of my head. Everything you would use to make fajitas, tacos. The only thing I did not put in here was salt because I want to add that as I go. So let's put our taco seasoning homemade on our walnut meat. About 30 seconds and you're done. You can't undercook this because
That ain't me.
So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the stove off. Give this a little taste, see if we like it, see if I need to add any more seasoning to it. I think it needs a little bit more. Alright guys, here is our finished product. It is so good. Don't you judge me. Now off camera, I also made my vegan queso dip. I have a whole video on this. It will be down in the description box down below. But all I did was take a cup of raw cashews, a half a red pepper, some nutritional yeast, and some salsa. And that's it. So now all you have to do is assemble everything. You're going to need, I got the biggest tortillas I could find in the store. It's for like a pizza. Some tomatoes I actually diced ahead of time for this video. Preparation. Some lettuce I shredded. Vegan sour cream. You guys know I add salt to this. I do like this brand, but yeah, you gotta add some salt. You're also gonna need some tostadas. I may have broken these because I dropped the bag when I walked into the kitchen, but it's okay, cause
We're broken people sometimes and we still have to be loved.
okay, let's assemble. Let's put this bad boy together. Turn on your stove to like 4, like below medium. All right, so first up is the sour cream, then our meat, broken but loved tostada. Just imagine that's 1. Next up is our queso. Now your lettuce. And finally your tomato. Time to fold. Here. Alright, take your time. Don't look at my nails either, cause I'm gonna get them done. Don't you worry about that, guys. Okay. Oh snap! Oh, we did. Okay, a little broken right there, but we all broken inside. It's okay. Okay. Oh, ooh, okay. Not the prettiest, but I think that looks a little Taco Bell-y. All right, let's transfer it to the stove. You wanna fold it side down. Stove is on. Yes. Alright, that's what we're looking like after 3 minutes. I'm gonna let this be. Alright guys, so I made 2. The other one still did not give me that brown I want on the bottom, but it is done. I didn't want to burn it, but it's all good. We got spirit, we got lots to eat. So she's here. You can introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Nisi, aka the Curvy Vegan.
Yes, her Instagram will be right here. Follow, yes. So she is going to make a Crunchwrap Supreme herself. I don't know why she's acting nervous. They know how easy it is. Ready?
Oh yeah, this is good.
Okay, that's vegan queso, lettuce, tomato, sour cream.
So you did that queso by yourself?
I did do that queso. You said by myself. Girl, make it yourself. It is homemade queso. Yes, it is.
Girl.
That is no cheese. That's enough. Okay, well then lettuce and tomato. Oh, just do the corners. You're gonna start with one. All right, now fold that tightly like that.
Oh,
yes. There you go. No, fold it down. Yep, fold it side down. Yep, perfect.
Come on. I did it.
Okay, girl, we can't find the spatula. It's been 3 minutes. We're burning the kitchen down. Flipping to see if you guys. See, that's what I wanted. Why did hers work? I'm pissed. That's what I wanted, guys. Turn your stove off.
Look at her face. Ta-da.
Okay, so how easy was that?
It wasn't bad at all.
So easy, and you can make all of these for friends, family. I'm gonna see if I can find a meat eater to try, guys, because of course I know y'all like, two vegans, we don't trust y'all, whatever.
We ate meat before.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you. I know what cheese tastes like. I know what sour cream tastes like.
We went this thick for nothing.
Hey, we don't eat grass.
Okay? All the time.
I did have some grass yesterday. I had kale yesterday.
I just did a collab video with my girl.
At gphotopilot_KT, you know how we get down.
Yeah. But we make vegan crunch wrap. Did you know it was vegan?
No.
Okay. Did you just taste it?
I ate a tomato.
Okay, so go ahead. Try it. He's adding the fire hot sauce.
That tomato was good.
Well, all tomatoes been good this season.
I don't know about all of them.
Well, all the ones I tried. Good. You'll eat it?
Mm-hmm.
Like all the time? Would you prefer this over Taco Bell?
Yes.
Save the planet.
As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you next time.